Hey you guys, Thatgirlkitaa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this super easy protective style. It's only 6 braids straight to the back, and then I put the ends into 2 cute little buns. Now, braiding hair is optional. I didn't use braiding hair because I'm not that skilled at the whole feed-in method, but give me a couple weeks and I'll redo this whole style because I think it'll be so cute. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the video. Wait, no, I lied. I want to say hey to all of my new subscribers. I see y'all. Hey, thanks for subscribing and showing love. I definitely appreciate it. And you know, I still got to shout out my oldies but goodies. How y'all doing? What y'all up to? Y'all still watching? But anyways, okay, for real, let's get into the video. So obviously I started on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I'm doing the whole pre-part pre-section thing. I don't know what it's called, but basically I am going to part, section, and plait all 6 sections until I am ready to braid them. So once I have my sections ready, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Murray's Edge wax to both sides of the section, just so that my hair is super sleek and laid, okay? And honestly, you guys, I probably overdid it with the edge wax, but my hair is thick, okay? It is Thick thick. And I was not taking any chances. I needed this stuff to lay down and stay down. And now I'm just combing that edge wax through my hair, making sure there aren't any flyaways and all of the hairs are going in the direction I need them to go. Now y'all see I'm parting my hair like I'm about to go crazy with the stitch braids, right? Child, I do not know how to do no stitch braids. I don't know why I was playing myself. I don't know what I thought I was doing, but I tried and it was a fail. Nonetheless, the style still came out bomb as fuck. And I'm literally going to repeat those same steps until I am done braiding. Y'all, my fingers were on fire. They were burning. And as y'all can see, I am leaving out some of my sideburns and my quote-unquote baby hairs. I feel like this will help the style look 1,000 times better, because without it, I would look like Cleo or like I'm about to throw a wig on my head, and that is not what I'm doing. So yeah, I leave these hairs out. I'll swoop them later on, but I definitely think it gives the style a little oomph, a little razzle dazzle, you know. So I actually wanted to do one bun, but my hair isn't long enough and that bun was just way too tiny. So I went ahead and did the two. I'm sectioning my hair into two ponytails. And then to create the buns, I'm just wrapping the hair around that ponytail and securing it with another rubber band. So now it's time to swoop my adult hairs. Y'all, if I was going out, I would honestly do the whole, dang, what is his name? Arrogant Tay method with the flat iron to make like fluffy baby hairs. I think that'll look so cute with this style. I'll probably do that when I go out with my friend tomorrow. But for now, I am just swooping them. I'm just spraying it with some Got2b, and then I'm gonna tie my hair down for about 10 minutes and we're done. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is definitely gonna be one of my go-to protective styles. Your girl been going to the gym lately, and the wigs and weaves and all that has just been annoying. So I'll be rocking this and other protective styles for a minute. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.